Again, you want the square face towards the thrust side, okay? You want that square face to be in the housing. There you go. Just make sure it's seated. Move it, rotate it, make sure it's sprung around. I did make sure that groove was clean. So now I'm going to put the face on. Remember, 2 seals. I'm going to put 1 seal and then another one. Let's make sure that seal is going over that sleeve good. Rotate it a couple times. Knock it in. Rotate. Not too big, too thick. What I'll do is I'll use this old seal. And I can just pop that old seal out. Oh yeah, very nice. Now, I think I can sneak this seal onto that. Maybe even, no. See if I can get it down a little bit more. Yep, that will work. I'm going to make sure it's square in the bore. That is square. All right, so the main seal is in. Now I'm going to put a second seal for the dust boot. And before I do that, I'm going to put some lubricant. I don't need it to actually seal, I just need it to keep the dust out. So even if it does dry out and harm the sealing surface, it doesn't matter. All it has to do is just keep them grass clippings out. That was my finger. Yeah, that hurt. Oh yeah, very nice. So now you have two seals in there. One acts as a dust boot, and the other one actually acts as a hydraulic fluid seal. We'll see if it works. And if it don't, you'll be seeing another video on it. And then, if it doesn't work, I will actually have to make a dust boot for that, which is pretty easy. It's just, I want to try this first. So, we're gonna try this and go from there.